Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the third method of solving simultaneous linear equations, which is the cross multiplication method. Suppose we have been given two linear equations such as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here you can see a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 are the constants. Constant here means the numbers. So we will try to create the formula using the constants that you can see over here. Let's begin with the middle values, that is b1 and b2. So first note down the constants, that is b1 and b2. Then note down the value of c1 and c2. Then note down the value of a1 and a2. And lastly, again copy the value of b1 and b2. Now put arrows like I am marking here. Now we will write the value of x, y and 1 over here. Now let us understand how we will find out the formula using this. The downward arrow here means that we are multiplying b1 with c2, and the upward arrow here means that we are multiplying b2 with c1. So our equation here will become x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. The arrow that is going upwards indicates that we have to subtract this part. This will be equal to y c1 a2 minus c2 a1, which will be equal to 1 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this becomes our formula that we will use for finding out the values of x and y. Now let us solve a few questions to understand how we are going to actually use this formula in the questions. Let us now consider the question. Solve the following linear equations using cross multiplication method. 3x minus 4y is equal to 2 and y minus 2x is equal to 7. The first most important step here is to arrange the equation in such a form where all the terms are on the left side of the equation. So let us consider the first equation. This would be rearranged now. 3x minus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0, so that all the terms are on the left side of the equation. Similarly, we will arrange the second equation, but at the same time, we will align it accordingly so that the x terms are aligned below each other and the y terms are aligned below each other. So here it will become minus 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have arranged our equations. Now we will form the formula using the constants. Let's begin with the middle values, that is b1 and b2. The values of the constants here are minus 4 and plus 1, which is equal to 1. Then minus 2 and minus 7. Then 3 and minus 2. And the last minus 4 and plus 1 again. Now we will put the arrows here. We will write x, y and 1. Now we can easily form the formula using this table. Minus 4 into minus 7 is equal to 28. 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now we will subtract these two products. So it will become 28 minus minus 2. Similarly, we will write below y. Minus 2 into minus 2 will give us 4. Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. And again these two products will be subtracted. The last is 1 divided by 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 2 into minus 4 is 8. And there will be a subtraction sign. So this becomes our equation. Now we will use x divided by 28 minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 8. The minus sign here will become plus. 1 divided by 3 minus 8 will become 1 divided by minus 5. So we can calculate the value of x here by the suitable rearrangement. So this would become x by 30 is equal to 1 divided by minus 5. 30 will go up. X will be equal to 30 divided by minus 5, which is equal to minus 6. Now we will consider the value y divided by 4 minus 21 is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 8. 4 minus 21 will become 4 plus 21, which is equal to 1 divided by minus 5. Now 25 will go up again. So y will be equal to 25 divided by minus 5, which is equal to minus 5. So here the solution will be minus 6 comma minus 5. Let us now consider the second question. Find the value of variables which satisfies the following equation: 2x plus 5y is equal to 20 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. So we will arrange both the equations here in such a form that all the terms of the equation are on the left side. That means the first equation will become 2x plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we will again start with the middle constants, that is 5 and 6, then minus 20 and minus 12, then 2 and 3, and again 5 and 6. Put the arrows accordingly. We will write x, y and 1. So this part will become x divided by 5 into minus 12, which is equal to minus 60, 6 into minus 20, which is equal to minus 120, and we have to subtract these two products. Then it would be y divided by minus 20 into 3, which is equal to minus 60, minus 12 into 2 is minus 24, and we have to subtract these two products. The third will be 1 divided by 2 6s is 12 and 5 3s is 15 and a subtraction sign. Now we will consider the x part and the 1 part. Minus 60 minus 120 will become minus 60 plus 120, which is equal to 1 divided by 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Minus 60 plus 120 is equal to 60. This is equal to 1 by minus 3. Now 60 will go up. So x is equal to 60 divided by minus 3, which is equal to minus 20. Now we will consider the y part and the 1 part again. So y divided by minus 60 minus 24 will become minus 60 plus 24, which is equal to 1 divided by minus 3. Minus 60 plus 24 is equal to minus 36. So this becomes 1 y by minus 36, which is equal to 1 by minus 3. Minus 36 will go up. So this will become y is equal to minus 36 divided by minus 3, which is equal to 12. So the solution of equations here is x is equal to minus 20 and y is equal to 12.